Hi everyone, this is Umesh from Mecwin Technologies. So I work here as Power Electronics Design Engineer at R&D department. Today we are here to explain how RMS and what is RMS, how it is working and what is the importance of RMS. So RMS, it is like a remote monitoring system. You can control the motor from the remote and you can turn it on, turn it off the motor remotely, and you can see what is the water flow per day, and you can see how the water is flowing. And if there is any issue in the motor or the controller, whatever, you can raise a ticket from our dedicated app called Mecwin Netra, and you can see the tickets assigned, and our service engineer will be visiting to your site and he'll be resolving all the issues. So now we'll see how the RMS works. Let's see. So this is our controller, and we have a controller, and we have our Mecwin RMS. So it has a SIM in it to provide remote monitoring through the internet. So we have a SIM, 4G SIM. So it is a 4G board which has a connectivity of 4G internet, and we have our Mecwin Netra app to turn and turn it off the motor. We have a dedicated app, Mecwin Netra app. So you can go to a Play Store or App Store. You can search for Mecwin Netra. So I've already installed here. So this is our app, Mecwin Netra 4G. After opening, so for initial customer, we'll have credentials, user ID and password dedicatedly given to a customer. A unique user ID and password is given to a customer. So he will be logging into the Mecwin Netra app. So he can select the languages. So we have 5 languages. So that is English, Hindi, Marathi, Odia and Kannada. So I'll be selecting in English. So you'll be having your on and off buttons, and you can see energy produced, motor speed, expected flow, output current, motor voltage, DC bus voltage, output frequency and total run time. So here you can see all the things, and we have a graphics here to notify for the farmer whether the motor is turned on or turned off. So it shows the dry state, that means the motor is off, and also the button is highlighted here. So the off button is highlighted, that means motor is off. Now if I turn it on, so the motor is running now. So the water started flowing, and here we have given 1 minute delay. That is to have a control with the farmer saying repeated turning on, turning off. So now you can see the graphics has changed from dry state to running state. Then our water is flowing and the button is highlighted here. So it shows a green in color. And if I give an off button, the motor stops and the water also stops immediately. Then these data, every 15 minutes, the data will be pushed to our Mecwin Netra app. So this data will be updated every 15 minutes. So now the motor is turned off, and you can see the DC bus voltage, which is 275 here also, and here also you can find 275. The other data, it will be updated every 15 minutes.
ದೇಶದ ಬೆನ್ನೆಲುಬು ರೈತನ ಬೆನ್ನೆಲುಬು ಮೆಕ್ವಿನ್ ಸೋಲಾರ್ ಪಂಪ್ ಸೆಟ್ಗಳು.